Here we're going to solve the problem that I've copied and pasted from my website. If the electron of a hydrogen atom goes from the second electron shell to the first electron shell, what is the maximum amount of energy that can be released as light? The Rydberg constant is 2.178 times 10 to the negative 8 joules. First of all, when I copied and pasted this constant, it messed up a little bit. The negative 18th is supposed to be an exponent of 10. I just wanted to clear that up. Next, we can dissect the problem and see what information we can get out of it. If the electron of a hydrogen atom goes from the second electron shell, so the hydrogen atom starts off in the second electron shell, that means our Ni, or N initial, equals 2. From the second electron shell to the first electron shell, that means our energy level or shell final equals 1. What is the maximum amount of energy that can be released as light? So it's asking how much energy will this make? Question mark. This Rydberg constant is labeled in an equation as RH. Now, what is the equation that fits all of these? The only equation that fits all of these is energy equals the Rydberg constant times 1 over the energy level initial energy level initial squared minus 1 over the energy level final squared. Now let's plug in all our numbers. Energy, we have no number for that, equals RH 2.178 times 10 to the negative 18th joules multiplied by 1 over energy level initial is 2 squared minus 1 over 1 squared from the energy level final. Now we can simplify this. Let's solve small parts at a time. First, the squares. This expression becomes 1 over 2 squared is 4 minus 1 over 1 squared is 1. All of this is still multiplied by 2.178 times 10 to the negative 18th joules equals energy. If we simplify these into decimals, they become 1 divided by 4 is 0.25 minus 1 divided by 1 is just 1. All of this is still equal to E and is multiplied by 2.178 times 10 to the negative 18th joules. Now we can simplify what's in the parentheses. 0.25 minus 1 equals negative 0.75. All this is still multiplied by 2.178 times 10 to the negative 18th joules, and it equals energy. These multiplied together equal negative 1.6 times 10 to the negative 18th joules. And that will be our answer for the amount of energy. Don't worry about the negative sign here. All the negative sign means is it's a release of energy. As the electron drops, it releases energy. From 2 to 1, it releases light as energy, as I described in the previous section.